Hi everyone. So a lot of you are asking about my makeup routine and I'm going to show you it today. So first, you need to cleanse your face. Make sure that you cleanse it with soap and water, or if you have a cleanser for like the makeup remover, you could use that too. Um, and the most important thing is to moisturize your face, because if it's not, then like if your face is like dry, it's going to be really bad, and the makeup is not going to turn out as good. So these are like two crucial steps. Okay, so the first step is to put on primer, but today I'm not gonna do that. So you might be asking, what primer should I use? I'll show you. In my opinion, the elf primer is really good. Like any one of those, there's like one for hydrating skin, and there's also this kind from Essence. It's really good. It's the Hydro Hero primer, and it has 48 hours of hydration for your skin, so it makes the makeup stay, and also it hydrates your skin, so it's really good. So now I'm going to put some foundation on a beauty blender. So you might ask, how would I find out my shade? You really have to test it out. You have to try shades and find out which shade is better for you. You could like go to Sephora or Ulta and just like ask for help even. There's like a lot of people that can help you, and you could even go and watch YouTube. It really helped me. And if you want a video on that, please let me know in the comments. I'll make a video. So first, you take the foundation and you spread it all over your face. One thing to note is that you don't need to put a lot of foundation. It's like, because a little goes a long way. So after you put it all over your face, you're going to blend it and make sure that it covers all of your face. So you're gonna do this. You're gonna tap like this. And you're gonna continue all around the face. So after you're done, you basically want to put on your concealer. For the concealer, you basically like go under your eye and just put it like where you see dark spots, if you want to hide like the dark spots under your eyes, or if you want to make like part of your face a little bit lighter. So you do that with the concealer, and also blend it in just like you did with the foundation. Then on some occasions I put bronzer along the cheekbone. And then what I do is that I use brow gel. So if you're going to fill it in, I would say fill it in first, fill in your brows first, and then use the brow gel. But basically, I'm not gonna fill them in today, so I'm just going to use that to make sure that the brows stay like where they are and they don't move. Pro tip for the brow gel: don't use too much, and also I would wait before like putting the foundation. I would actually do the brows first, and sometimes actually people like to do like the upper face area first before putting the foundation and the concealer and all of that, just so they like if they make a mistake, they don't like like ruin everything. Then I like to start working on the eyes. I like to add eyeshadow, and I like to like add pink colors and all of that. I don't really like dark colors, so I'm going to add pink. could use any eyeshadow palette. It's up to you. So right now I'm just going to fill in the eyes. Oh. Oh no. Okay. Well, it basically ripped. So. Oh no. It's falling apart. But, like, show must go on. Okay. I also like to add blush, but here's a warning. If you're going to add liquid blush, a little goes a long way. So what I do is, like, along the cheek area, I do like 1, maybe 2, right, on each side. And then just blend it. So do you see, like, the little pink here? Like, I want to give myself a little bit of blush, but not overpowering. And sometimes I like to wear eyeliner, sometimes I don't, just because, like, of how good I am putting it on. I've tried, but today, like, I haven't put it on for a long time, so I'm going to try it today. So right now I drew the eyeliner. It's not that good, but I'm still practicing. Okay, we're almost there. And then I like to add lipstick. You could use any color, but I just like red. And then I use the mascara. You can use any brand, it doesn't matter. Just what feels good to you. It's just, just put the mascara. Do you see the difference? This one is like, you can see the hair a little bit. This one is like flat down. So it made a little bit of difference. It made it like a little bit, gave it a little bit of volume. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, follow me and like this video and share it. Your support means a lot to me because it's the only way that I'm going to be motivated to put videos of makeup tutorials and answer your questions about makeup and beauty. So thank you for watching and have a good day.